Hi, this is Justina from Practice Test Academy, and in this short video I will give you a personal tour of our testing software. Below the information about the E3 paper, you'll find the heart of our software. Our tests are divided into two categories, study mode and an exam mode. You should use the study mode if you want to practice and learn at the same time. In a study mode, you'll get the answer straight away so you can understand if you were correct or not and why. You should use the exam mode, which is actually an exam simulator, if you want to test your knowledge under the exam conditions. That means you will have a limited time to complete the questions and the score you will get after you complete the test. Now let me walk you through an example of one of our study mode tests. You have two possibilities here. You can either practice all your questions by pressing this button here on the top, or you can practice each subpart separately by clicking the links here. This is convenient if you want to polish your knowledge from a particular topic. We have written our questions based on the Kaplan study book, so in most cases, the subparts will correspond to the names of the Kaplan chapters. Let's have a look at the strategic analysis. Okay, so what do we have here? This is a typical example of a multiple choice question. When you answer correctly, you're going to receive feedback. It's going to be a green field if you are correct. Now this one, for example, is a typical multiple response question where you need to select two answers. If you answer incorrectly, you're going to receive a red box explaining you what you should have done instead. This is a typical hotspot type of question. If you don't know the answer here, you can always skip it. It's not really a problem. This, for example, is a drag and drop type of question. We have included here all the possible question types that CIMA utilizes in their final exams, so you can be used to the format and excel at the exam. Now, let's move on to the mock exams. We give you three types of mock exams. One full mock with 60 unique questions, which means that they are original and cannot be found in any of the above parts here. We also have two other types of mock exams. A full mock with 60 questions and a mini version of that with 30 questions. The functionality of the mock is exactly the same as above. However, we utilized CIMA methodology here and we randomly pick questions coming from parts that you can see here according to the percentage split of the syllabus. Just for your information, this is exactly what CIMA does for the final exams. What's worth mentioning here is that we pick the questions randomly, so there is never any chance that someone will have two tests that have the same set of questions. As you can see, the number of the questions within a mock is selected based on the percentage syllabus split. So if, for example, part A covers 20% of the syllabus, you can expect to receive 12 questions coming from that part. Additional features to mention here is that you can practice your time management and also improve your exam technique by utilizing options like flag for review or show results panel, where here you can pick exactly the question you would like to practice, or if you scroll down, you can review all the incomplete questions, you can review all the questions, or you can review only the flagged questions. That's again the functionality that is being used in the final exam. One of our biggest competitive advantage is that you can clearly see how well you've done within each part and within each chapter. You can review all the questions with your answers and the correct answers, so by going here and pressing this button, Review. If you would like to compare the results of this test with the results of a test that you have taken previously, that's not a problem. You need to go to My Account and Quiz Results and pick the other one. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got the same impression that this is exactly what you need in order to pass your upcoming E3 exam. Remember, we also provide a tutor-monitored Facebook group and a 7-day money-back guarantee, so in case you are still unsure, just keep in mind that we transfer the risk on us so you don't need to worry. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!